Hello, NSAers. I'm Jeff Rogers, and I'm here today to talk to you about our March meeting, March Madness. Okay, it's not March Madness, but everybody should call it that. Instead, everybody's calling it How to Craft Your Signature Talk. We have a whole slate of guest speakers, and it's not just a speaking workshop. It is a working workshop. All right, I tell you what, I've got someone who can explain it a lot better than I can. Please welcome our very own Hayden Shaw to help us understand what is this meeting all about, Hayden.
All right, we are going to help people get that signature talk, that thing that keeps you working, that thing that leads to spin business, that thing that you're known about and known for. So we'll kick it off with just kind of a quick introduction, and they'll put you to work at tables. And Lynn O'Dowd is going to be great for people who are brand new to signature talk. She's going to work you through the key components. Terry Watson is a master storyteller, and he's got some great chops on how to walk you through that. I'll be walking you through speak to sell. A lot of times people don't think when they build their speech about what are the things they can integrate or design in that allow them to sell more after they get off the stage. And then lastly, Jeffrey himself is going to talk about using humor. He's taught thousands of people how to use humor. He's going to teach you how to increase the amount of humor you have in your presentations. So, well, you're going to actually hear some things, and then work at the tables on your own signature speech.
Yeah, Hayden, I didn't agree to that. I was going to do this, and then,
that's why this is a voluntary organization, Jeff. You agree to one thing, and we put you in the flyer for the other.
Yeah. All right. Point taken. Good note. All right. So you can tell it's going to be a lot of fun. It's also going to be March 15th. From 8:30 to 11, a chance for networking, a little bit of breakfast, and then right into building and crafting your signature talk. Hayden, this sounds absolutely amazing. It is happening at NIU Extension in Naperville, right? And right. March 15th. What else? Should we bring anything? Props, toys, lawyers? I don't know. Give me an idea.
Like a good signature speech, we just got to wrap on time. So you just bring yourself, and we will see you Friday.
All right, sounds like a plan, and we will see everybody there.